My name is Sarah Rae. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I thought I would give you guys a bit of a room tour just to show you guys really what's individually around my room. Let's just jump straight into it. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications of when I upload, and let's get showing you around my room. So this is my desk area, and next to it is a bit of a mess because this is Ostomy supplies that were sent to me that I wasn't supposed to get, so I'm waiting for Edge Park, which is my supplier for Ostomy supplies, for them to send out my return box so I can return them. I'm also, when you're watching this, will be on a trip to New York. I'm going home to see my dad and some other very special people, so I have that out. And then over here is my cat and dog food, so that's there. Behind my door is a little chakra poster because I'm into meditation and all of that jazz. And then this is where I get my bags because I don't have a trash can. I have a bag that I put garbage in on my door. This is a very special painting to me because it is from my mom's side of the family, and my papa gave it to me. So my papa is my grandpa, and his cousin painted this, and her brother, they had mental health issues, and one of them took their lives. The one that painted this did. The other one died really young of, I believe it was cancer, but of a very terminal illness. Very sad, but so it means a lot to me just because of all my mental health issues, so it's just very beautiful. Then I have a lot of these all around my room, dream catchers, just because I think they're very beautiful. Then below it is my dog kennel. So this is my doggy's home at nighttime because he don't sleep with me at nighttime. And then towels, and then my YouTube stuff. So this is my notebook that I use to write down all of my notes for videos, and then also, you know, people I want to interview and all of my video ideas. So that's all in this notebook. Then I have a journal, and then just a bunch of notebooks and folders that I use for YouTube. Then back here is a bunch of my dog stuff, my mouse. I use this for water for tea, and then also water for my animals. Tuk Tuk, have anybody seen that movie yet? He's cute. Harley Quinn hat, and then this is sometimes I just need to throw on a shirt, so I leave one here. And then now my desk. Got an organizer with patchouli incense, flowers, roses, because I really like them. My headphones, easy access, very important book that I remind myself to read every now and then. I will make a video on that book here shortly, and then just other things. I have reminders for YouTube up on my desk, all of my nail polish and nail supplies. I use Holo Taco all the time. I'm obsessed. Which, that's what this is. It's a no mess mat, and they just came out with this. It's incredible. My computer. This is the cap to my camera. Vitamin water, always. A video that I'm about to be working on. When you guys are watching this, I will have already posted it. This is my schedule book, so I write down all of my appointments, and then also my video ideas, and if I'm going on a trip, and like what I want to do each day, and what I want to get done each day. So that's what that is. More nail stuff, Robert Frost poetry, salt rock lamp. This is something a subscriber gave me. New York snow globe, my glasses. This is a wax warmer, and my ring light is right here. Then behind me is a picture of Michael Jackson, which my brother gave me for Christmas. And then I like to put all of a bunch of stuff on my windows, stuff that I just really like. Next to me is what you don't get to see, so we'll start here. I was using this one day and Harley was like, ah, that looks fun. So she swatted at it and scratched it. I had to get a new one. So I was like, I need something Michael on my wall. I put this on my wall. So I thought that was really cute. And of course, some Def Leppard, Motley Crue, picture of Ronnie, who's my idol. My tickets from when I got to see Lynyrd Skynyrd, a holographic ticket, and the original cover to their last album, which is typically rare to find, but you can find it. And then another dream catcher, and this is special because my Uncle Bill got it for me for my birthday a while back, about 10 years ago, and it says, Sarah, wishing you a speedy recovery. Sincerely, Tommy DiCarlo of Boston. He's the lead singer of Boston right now. So I died. He actually works with Tommy's brother, and that's how I was able to get it, which is so cool. It's wicked. My lights for my window, and here I actually have a New York license plate that was once my dad's, and then snowflakes up on my window. You kind of can't see, but there's one. A bell. Over here we got tapestry and moons. Another dream catcher. These are chakra stones. The very first dream catcher I ever got, which is one my mom gave me. Down here is a dolphin table, because I love dolphins, always have ever since I was a little girl. This is a New York City skyline candle holder with a candle in it. Jewelry box, and these are mindfulness exercises. Then, right beside my bed, I always have a bat, and it's the Harley Quinn replica bat from Suicide Squad. I just love it. Down here I have a picture of my mom, which I would fully show you, but she would probably kill me. But it's of when she graduated nursing school. And then that's a memory box. Here is the lyrics to Don't Cry by GNR. It's one of my favorite songs of theirs, so I had to have it. On my bed, of course, my room is purple and black because it's my other favorite color. Green and purple is my two favorite colors. Having Crohn's disease, poop is my life, so I like to collect poop objects. And then I have two Michael Jackson pillows, another poop pillow. Back here though, I have two stuffed animals. They're very special to me because I got them when I was 5 and 6. I got them for when I was having surgery on my arm, and I used to take them everywhere with me up until I was like maybe 14, so I was obsessed with them. That's my dog. He likes to cuddle in a blanket. He has a bladder problem, and also when he gets excited, he tinkles, and then also he has a bad habit of marking, so I keep a little doggy brief on him. He's a sweetheart. Here's Harley. I know you guys like to see my animals. There's your baby. And then here's Finster. Yeah, you want to say hi, baby? There's Hirsch. Hirsch, you gonna say hi? Yep. Oh, and Harley. Harley, you wanna say hi? There you go. Sweet. My babies. So then this is my shelf. I have biotin gummies. I have behind it a ball that I use to exercise with. Taylor Swift Begin Again teacup. I told you I had poop objects, so this is a little tiny cup that says coffee makes me poop. I also have poop earrings. And then, of course, if you love rock and roll, you gotta have a Slash pop. Gotta love it. I also have a Michael Jackson one. And I have a Shawn Michaels one because I am into wrestling, and I just don't have it in my room anymore because I don't have enough space. My candle, more poop objects, so a poop stress ball. My mom got me this for Easter, and it smells like chocolate. And then this is supposed to go on the back of your phone, but I've had him for a long time. This is an incense holder behind here. My favorite actor always has been, always will be. I love him. Anthony Hopkins. These are the beginnings of my collection. I am working on trying to get all of his movies, so that is my goal. Mew is one of 2 of my favorite Pokemon. My other favorite is Eevee. Then I have this, which says life is the greatest adventure, and I believe that. So down here I have a bunch of Michael Jackson stuff. This is I call my Michael Jackson cubby. So his book, his poetry, DVDs. I used to have all of his CDs, but they got lost in the move. This is the current perfume I'm wearing. And then a cup with his autograph on it. What was his autograph, the way he signed it. Coin is behind this fake $100,000, whatever, $1 million bill coin. Ornament. This has all of his music videos on it, but then I have like jewelry and a little bracelet, and then this Pepsi cup. This is my Garth Brooks cubby, so Central Park. This I've had since I was 3. I love this and cherish it. And then he started coming out with these books detailing all of his years, which is incredible, by the way. If you haven't gotten these, you should. CDs and other Garth Brooks like live stuff and CDs. Down here I have all my Harley Quinn and Joker stuff. Mainly Harley Quinn because I love her and relate to her in ways. I do have a video showing all of my Harley Quinn and Joker stuff, which I will link in the description box as well. Then down here's all my books, my Boo Cup. I'm a Dean Koontz fan. I also have some rock and roll books. So I have Duff McKagan's book here. I have Sebastian Bach's book, Slashes. And then I also have Nikki Sixx. Hi, baby. Yeah, right? Okay. Next one, I got my little hippie, I call it, shelf. So besides the bottom shelf, which has a New York memory box and then a little pink bucket that has a bunch of air fresheners in it. But then this shelf has 2 candles and a little like Buddha plant. This one has clear quartz, a little elephant. This is another chakra pendulum. This you ding and it's a bell and it soothes you, especially when you're trying to meditate. Another candle, it goes with those candle sets. Amethyst, which is just as incredible for you as the clear quartz. This is my incense holder, which it's so cool because you put the incense right in the middle of the flower. So I love that. I have arrowheads back here, which my mom bought me. And then a chakra tree. And then up here is this woman I got off of Amazon. I thought she was cool and just fit the vibe of my shelf. My purse. This is my closet. And these are photos of my family. That's her sneezing away. So we'll start over here. This is my oldest sister. This is my mom, me, and my great... He does this all the time. This is my mom, me, and my great uncle Kenny. This is my other sister, Paula. This is my papa and my grandma. So this is papa who gave me that painting, whose cousin painted that. And this is that same papa and my dad back when I was born 29 years ago. And that's my dad now. And me and my brother when I was graduating. So that's 2012. And this is my mom when she was a little girl, and this is one of her military dog tags because she was in the military. She was in the Air Force. My dad was in the Navy, so yes, I'm a military brat. Guns N' Roses poster, vinyls up on the wall. This one never gets interchanged, but I do interchange that one. Got rosary beads because at the end of the day I am Catholic, but I don't like to get into religion on my channel because I think my channel is about music and awareness for health and true crime. And I don't want it to be about anything else. But everyone's free to be a part of whatever religion they want to. Down here is my trusty dirty fan that I really need to clean. I use it every night, even during the winter. I have to have it on. Plus, not only does the cold soothe me, but the noise, being from a small city, I am used to like a street sweeper or some kind of noise, so this helps. I always have water in this. Right now I don't because I drank it this morning, so that always has ice water in it. Down here is a mess, but I have notes written to myself, and then rock magazines. My newest one is right here, and it is on Van Halen, America's favorite rock band, celebrating 50 years and remembering Eddie Van Halen. So I had to get it, you know? It's a must. Then over here is my favorite spot because it's my vinyls, my baby's record player, and then all my vinyls, which I will link in the description box down below. My vinyl collection if you want to see individually what all I have. So that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of seeing what I have. Oh, I also on the back of my chair have this jacket. I also have my leather jacket on the back of the chair as well, but I got this off of an Etsy shop, and I'll link that shop in the description box as well because it is incredible. But yeah, that is my room. So I hope you guys liked the video, enjoyed seeing what all I have in my room. Let me know if you guys have anything special in your room that you guys really cherish, any posters, or just what do you guys have? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.